Hello everybody. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Boardroom to track your sales and expenses. So I'm over here under Financials in the menu, and I'm on the Sales page. So the first thing you'll notice is a few KPIs here about my sales and orders at the top of the screen, and this set of filters as well. So Boardroom allows you to connect e-commerce stores from different platforms here, and you can connect multiple stores into the same dashboard. So this is where you could filter down and look at one platform at a time, one store at a time, or even one product at a time, or look at everything at once. Finally, I could change up the date range here and take a look at my sales over any date range that I would like. Scrolling down here from this top section, I could see the sales grid. And the sales grid is great because it gives me really an expanded set of functionality when compared with the native sales grid in Shopify. So to show you what I mean, I can show you here that we have a ton of different columns that are available in the background that I could pull forward into the sales grid here, just to kind of show you what those are. I could then run a filter on this data, and let's say I wanted to look at sales where more than 10 units were sold. I can select that filter and then look down as the data is automatically updated here in the background. I can even save my view here, which is handy if I have common reports that I like to run frequently on my sales and order data. And I can export this to Excel as well with this button here. So the sales grid is pretty handy, but I also wanted to mention that we have a similar page to track your expenses. So when I click on that expenses page, I'm taken to a similar looking page here in Boardroom, except we're looking at the other side of the business, my costs and expenses here. So I can see all of my expenses appear in one grid right here, which I can again search and filter through and report on. But we also have different grids that break down specific types of expenses for you so that you can get a more granular look here. You can also track expenses manually in Boardroom so that you have your full financial picture included in all of your metrics. So that's it for this tutorial video. Thanks for watching.